begin our Alka Seltzer experiment. So first, you're going to gather your tech materials. You're going to get your classroom iPads, your iRecording stand, and you're going to open your iMovie app. Step 2 is to put on your lab safety gear, goggles, gloves, and apron. If you look in the rubric, you'll notice that you will get 0 points for the lab portion of that 10-point section if you do not have all members wearing lab safety gear at all times in your video. After grabbing and putting on all your safety gear, you're going to grab your lab materials. For this lab, you're going to need a 150 milliliter thin-necked beaker, 50 milliliters of purified distilled water, 2 Alka Seltzer tablets, and a balloon. So, how you're going to go about this experiment, you're going to take your distilled water, you're going to pour that directly into the 150 milliliter thin-necked beaker. At that point, you're going to take your Alka Seltzer tablet and put it inside of your deflated balloon. You don't need to blow up the balloon, just make sure you put both Alka Seltzer tablets into the balloon. Inside the head of it. You don't want it to be right down at the neck. You want to make sure they're in the top of the balloon. That way you can put the balloon onto your thin-necked beaker without the Alka Seltzer falling in until you're ready. Okay, and after you have the Alka Seltzer into your balloon, I'm going to use this as my beaker. You're going to make sure you put the balloon around the mouth of your beaker securely. And then, while a member of your group holds the balloon to make sure no air escapes, another group member is going to massage the balloon so that the Alka Seltzers fall to the mouth and drop into the water. As your group watches and examines what's going on, I want you to try and discuss what you're observing and what it might mean. This by no means has to be proven or right spot on. This can just be your initial findings, your observations, and you can do your discussion afterwards. Good luck!